from?
All I know is that Justin had the best presentation, and I really just came for that. So I guess.
So you feel like you got screwed over because you got zero value. I understand.
No, Justin was worth the cost of about 5 tickets. So he was incredible. That guy. Where's he at? I want to meet him again.
Yeah, he left.